Good morning, it's the 14th of June 2010 and this is your daily outlook. US retail sales disappoint the markets, coming in at minus 1.2%. Markets on Friday saw volatility pick up across the board, with euro-dollar trading range over 100 pips. Retail sales on Friday came in weaker than expected for the month at minus 1.2%. However, this is not expected to have a great impact on underlying sterling, as the report is ex-auto sales. This report spurred a bout of risk aversion and some dollar strength, pushing the euro to 120.45 lows. As the session went on, we had the University of Michigan report come out, showing a print of 75.5, beating expectations of 74.5. Markets have also shifted their expectations of the next Fed rate hike to January 2011 from September 2010, given the Eurozone debt crisis. Stocks in the US closed the session in positive territory, almost 0.5% higher on continued hope that the US will stubbornly continue to grow despite the happenings on the other side of the Atlantic. Dollar-yen price action was between 91.17 and 91.96. In Europe on Friday, rumours circulated that Spain was considering tapping part of the EU Stabilisation Fund, which caused part of the initial sell-off in the pair. The rumours were discarded as unfounded, considering the extreme austerity measures that the country is undertaking. Later in the day, we had the ECB member Nowotny say that the central bank will continue to support the EU debt markets until a certain degree of stabilisation is seen. Looking ahead, the markets are shifting focus to EU CPI readings as the ECB repeatedly highlights price stability as its main objective. Also, focus will be given to Ireland's issuing €1 to €1.5 billion worth of 5-year notes tomorrow. Euro-dollar price action was between 120.44 and 122.08. In Japan, the two-day policy meeting begins today, where new information should be released regarding the latest Bank of Japan lending scheme. The scheme is designed to lend to small businesses finding it difficult to raise funds. Initial estimates are that the scheme will add as much as 3 trillion yen to the system. Japan's Prime Minister Khan went on later saying that Japan risks defaulting on its debt if their fiscal difficulties are not tackled. Khan said that by the end of June, he will present a medium to long-term plan on how to reduce Japan's deficit. Currency to watch out for: the euro-dollar and dollar-yen. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 121.25, with a preference to enter into long positions at 121.35. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 91.55, with a preference to enter into long positions at 92.10. Today's calendar and market movers: Eurozone industrial production for April expected at 0.5%, Australia RBA minutes will be released, and Bank of Japan rate decision expected to remain unchanged at 0.1%. Now on to equity markets. US equities closed positive yesterday, with the SP 500 up by 0.38% and the Dow up by 0.44%. European bourses were mixed yesterday, with the FTSE up 0.61%, the DAX minus 0.14% and the CAC closing at 1.11%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was at 1.80% and the Hang Seng 0.88%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.